Hi, I am Kritika and I work for Legraw as a DMS and a data analytics manager here. So we onboarded Easy DMS in 21 where we did a pilot with them for 1 month and then we onboarded the whole project in 2022. So it's been 3 years we are with them. So we have implemented DMS for over 650 AS and ADS, that is distributors and stockists, in these span of 3 years, and we have also taken various modules where we get the visibility of the data, which was the actual purpose, how to get the visibility of our stocks and secondary. So the basic purpose of onboarding was to get the visibility of the secondary market, which was not here earlier. So with Easy DMS, we are resolving that purpose.
What difference Easy brings on the table?
So with Easy DMS, earlier there was no visibility, like how is the stock movement, how our secondary data is in the market. So we got to know the visibility, how the product is moving, which region it is moving, how the secondary is evolving with primary.
What made you choose Easy DMS over other platforms?
So when I compare with other platforms, it's a web-based module or a separate software that they give us. With Easy DMS, it is currently that we can integrate with the existing systems they are using, like Tally, Busy, and also they offer various API integrations where the stockist does not have to switch to a different system, but they can continue their billing with the existing software, and we integrate our DMS with the existing one itself. So that was the basic feature where we are not hampering their day-to-day billing, and we just integrating with the existing billing system.
How did your team and dealer network respond to the transition?
So when it comes to the team and the dealer network, initially everybody was reluctant when we are moving through a process, but we faced challenges initially, but we overcame that and everybody was convinced with the good parts of it, and then we implemented with a good response overall.
Was there any specific features or modules that stood out during the implementation?
It is the BI module that we have taken that stood out, that gave us visibility through dashboards, like a one-click data, then their reports, which help us analyze that which region is performing well, which stock is fast growing, which is least growing, whereas secondary market is concerned. And then we can analyze between our primary and the secondary data and analyze that who is performing well, who is not performing well in the market, and what is the trend, like how much is the billing trend, what is the frequency of billing. This helped us analyze and study that data with that visibility which was not initially there and it is now there. So overall, if I say, it's been like 3 and more years with Easy DMS, it's been a good service that they are providing us. There are some ups and downs that is always there, but with overall they've given us a good product with good features which are now market is adapting, our stockists are adapting, and the sales team is adapting as well. So we have got a very good support as well, and I would recommend it as a good product that can be implemented, giving us visibility around.